guys, quick introduction. I'm about to head out with Ehab, my cousin, and we're gonna go and check something out. I'm not gonna give you guys too much detail, which is why I'm rushing it. I'll show you guys when we get there or what happens after. So what I was in a rush for happened, and I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip. I'm not gonna show it right now because it's still kind of pending, but in the meantime I actually squatted up with the whole guys. We got the whole team here at what is this, Dutch Bros, per usual, because this is the spot in Rialto now. Hope I just leaked my location, but spot in Rialto. We're just gonna hang out for a bit. I'll take you guys along, show you guys the cars. So we got Drippy Fitty right here. We got Daily DC5. I don't honestly, Daily DC5, if you watch this video, I forgot where your tag is, but you know who it is. And then we got mine all the way in the back, my shit box. My salted caramel chai, honestly it's really good. This is my favorite drink. Alright guys, so I just picked up a 96 240 S14, as you guys saw earlier. So let's check it out. Let's give you guys a quick preview while the tow truck is here, or on the way here. So this is the car. It's not in the prettiest condition. It is plastic dipped and it does need some work, but I guess the price translates to what it is. It does have a blown motor, so we're gonna have to swap that out, and it is also unfortunately an automatic, so I'm gonna be swapping that out as well. Alright guys, next stop is home. Time to take it home. He's gonna take it for us. Tow truck driver is awesome. Shout out to Russell's Towing. Shout out to Russell's Towing. Honestly, they're awesome. They have the brakes, they have everything, so I won't scrape. Oh, I paid extra for the car because I got a fix-it ticket for my exhaust. Thank you, Garden Grove, for ruining my day. All in all, the officer was actually really chill. I low-key ran a stop sign because I didn't see it, and he kind of just said, all right dude, I'm just gonna give you a fix-it ticket. I'm not popping your hood either. He said, I'm not popping your hood. He's like, I know it's gonna be illegal, I'm not popping it. Just the exhaust, man, just fix it and don't run the red light. I'm like, dude, thank you so much. And by the way, I ran it because he challenged me to as well. He's like, next stop sign you see, run it. I didn't even see it, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. So anyway, we're going home. We're gonna go check the 240, and that's that. I'm gonna go home and cry. So all right guys, so we're taking the 240 to Lonzo's shop, and then we're gonna diagnose the knocking sound. We think it's a timing issue, but we're gonna see. I mean, it drives fine. When it's driving, it doesn't have any problems, but while it's idling, it sounds like shit. So we're here at Lonzo's shop. We're gonna go pick up some timing chain guides. So we're gonna go do that real quick. By the way, it's not knocking, it just sounds really rough. I should say it's not knocking because of rod, it's the timing chain that is having the issue. So since the part is basically on back order, we can't fix it today, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick preview of the inside and out because I haven't done that yet. So let's go inside of the car, show you guys what it looks like. Going into the 96, I should say. Yeah. All this is out because it had an aftermarket radio that I have to fix and figure out. Also super cracked per usual. Everything else is not that bad. You have this door right here. Oh, this door card is kind of messed up, so my turn signals do not work. My hazards don't work. My AC blows cold, so that's good, especially in California. My heat works. This doesn't work. My windows and my mirrors, I should say. My mirror is foggy, I need to clean that out, but it is automatic. That's gonna go very soon. I want to say hopefully within a month I'm swapping it out. Gas door does not work, but the trunk does. Gas door doesn't, and my trunk doesn't fully work because it doesn't latch properly. So it has a fabbed up bullshit exhaust. That's what it's called. That's what I call it. The guy said it was from RX-7. I think it's from a, I don't know what. This is some bullshit. See here, it is the SE Special Edition 240SX S14. What is a 240SX without all the stickers? sticker bomb everything. We also have all stock wheels, which is pretty cool, even though it doesn't really matter. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's a quick overview of the 240. It has a bunch of plastic dip that I still need to fix. It did come with new rotors, new pads, and also a new battery and alternator. It's leaking from every single crevice in the world, and it's making a silly goofy noise that I have to fix. Thank you all so much for watching. I recorded an outro at Lonzo's shop, but unfortunately my camera died. But till next time, the 240, the FRS, they're gonna have so many things planned. I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. I hope you guys are excited. By the way, leave a comment down below what I should do to the 240. Give me some ideas. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want it to be a drift build and maybe occasionally show, but mainly drift. But let me know what you guys think. Till next time, thank you all for watching. Stay safe. Peace out.